Bank loan secrets that you are not supposed to know. Hello everyone, this is Morgan and I hope you are doing well. It's been a week of the circuit breaker in Singapore and people are not going out, staying at home, watching Netflix, dramas, movies, or busy serving the nations. Making babies. I don't know about you, but whatever you are doing right now, it's good to put them aside and spend some quality time to review your portfolio of things you have right now. And that includes your housing loan. Okay, maybe you managed to get a good home loan package back then, like 2016, 2017, roughly at 1.3%, and 2018 to 19, the rates went up to as high as 2%, and that's higher than HDB loan of 2.6%. Now, no matter what package you took up, you should remember the phrase on the black and white, and the phrase is X year and thereafter. This is when your home loan interest rates take off like an airplane, and you might be in for a surprise when you open up your home loan statement today. While I was still with the bank 2-3 years ago, some of my customers come to me and showed me that statement, and it was as high as 3 to 4%. My customer looked at me as if they were scammed by the bank. They showed me that statement in hard copy and were complaining to me why the neighbors and friends are having such an easy life while they are paying so much more. Extra cash on top of the CPF and stuff like that. They really thought we bankers were con men. Then I asked them to calm down, gave them green tea from the pantry, pacify them, and help them to do a repricing, and life goes on. So you see, this is how business is done. The bank entices you with a carrot, putting it in front of you, and when the time has come, this is when they rip you off and up the profit margins. So like my customers, you might be paying your mortgage with your invisible, intangible CPF money, and even higher than you thought without you realizing. But when it comes to paying with your money, you wouldn't want that out of sight, out of mind approach. So muster your courage, overcome the inertia today, and go log into your internet banking and see it for yourself. So how does it look like for you? Well, relax. This is not your destiny. You didn't do anything evil to have accumulated this amount of karma. You can do something about this and change your interest rates, either by refinancing a loan or do a repricing. So just a little background for you guys. With the COVID-19 global outbreak, in order to contain the economic impact, the US Central Bank recently made its biggest interest rate cut since 2008, cutting rates by 0.5% in March 2020. And this results in a significant week-on-week dip in SIBOR. Currently, SIBOR has fallen to about 0.99%, from 1.63% a month ago, and might even go down further. So if you want to take advantage of this, now is your chance. I've done some research online, and today you can actually get as low as 1.46% per annum for SIBOR packages and 1.65% per annum for fixed rates packages according to moneysmart.sg. You might be familiar with these terms like fixed rates, 1 month SIBOR, 3 month SIBOR, floating rates. And honestly, I must spend another hour explaining this, so maybe I can cover this on another video, or you can check with your bank RM. But there's something I have to tell you, my friend. Do not take your first move until you finish this video. Many might have called you or WhatsApp you, say, hey bro, it's time for you to refinance your home loan, the rates are so low and you won't want to let go. And indeed, banks are really offering attractive rates waving at you. So why not? Ask yourself, should I go for refinancing or repricing? Okay, I think I'm gonna get hit by many of you out there. Now, basically, refinancing is setting up a new loan with another bank. Because you are taking up a new loan with a new bank, there will be conveyance fee, which can range from $2,000 to $3,000. And if you're still within the lock-in period, you will have to pay a penalty which is around 1.5% of the outstanding loan amount. And also, you might have to pay back any subsidies you had taken from the bank. So if refinancing only gives you marginal saving by that little, it may take you 1 to 2 years to break even the conveyance fee in order for you to justify your action. But for repricing, it is done within the same bank, and your bank will usually just charge an admin fee which can range anything from $300 to $1,000. For some cases, you might be offered an option to one-time, two-time repricing with waiver. So literally, you could do this at zero cost. Do check with the banker first if you're eligible for it. And also on your remaining lock-in period. Lock-in period of home loan packages are usually between 1 to 3 years. It wouldn't make sense for you to do a repricing or refinancing too early because the penalty will wipe out any savings of a new package. Repricing takes about only 1 month to take effect. But for refinancing, since more parties are in a picture, the whole process will usually take at least 3 months. So if you confirm want to do refinancing, you can start looking for agents or bankers or compare home loan packages about 4 to 5 months before your lock-in period is up. And make sure you squeeze enough freebies and goodies from them before you go ahead. If this video has added some value to you, click on the like button and the little bell next to it and subscribe to the channel. Write your thoughts or questions down below at the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.